Hey everyone, welcome back to Aki Manufacturing Channel. Today, we're diving into the world of lathe machines, specifically the different operations you can perform on them. The lathes are mainly used for making cylindrical jobs. With some special attachments, you can machine all sorts of shapes. But today, we're focusing on the most common operations done on cylindrical workpieces. Let's break down 5 key lathe operations you should know. First up is turning. This is the process of machining a workpiece to make it round using a single point cutting tool. The workpiece rotates while the tool moves linearly, either parallel or perpendicular to the axis. The main cutting motion comes from the rotation of the workpiece, while the feed motion moves the tool. Turning is used to reduce the diameter of a job to a precise size, producing a smooth cylindrical surface. Next is facing. Unlike turning, which works along the length, facing machines the end or face of the job. The tool moves perpendicular to the workpiece axis, starting from the outer edge and moving toward the center. This operation is great for reducing the length or squaring off the end of a workpiece. 3. Knurling. Knurling is a bit different. It's not a cutting operation, but a forming process. Instead of removing material, knurling creates a textured, cross-hatched pattern on the surface. This helps improve grip on handles or knobs, like thumb screws. The knurling tool has hardened rollers with teeth that press into the rotating workpiece, forming the pattern. Remember, keep speeds low and use plenty of lubricant during knurling. 4. Grooving. Grooving or groove cutting creates narrow grooves on the surface of a cylindrical job. The diameter reduces slightly over a small width. The tool is fed straight into the workpiece without a feed motion, and depending on the tool shape, you can cut square, round, or beveled grooves. Since the tool shape transfers directly onto the workpiece, this operation is also called form turning. Finally, we have parting, which is basically cutting a workpiece into two pieces. This uses a narrow, strong parting tool fed perpendicular to the workpiece axis. The workpiece rotates slowly, and you want a steady feed to avoid a problem called hogging, where the tool digs in suddenly instead of cutting smoothly. Because of the heat generated, plenty of coolant is essential here. So, those are 5 essential operations you can perform on a lathe. Whether it's shaping, facing, adding grip, cutting grooves, or parting a job, each has its unique tool and technique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more machining tutorials. Got questions or want to see other operations? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy machining.